It's raining outside, which means it's the ideal time for me to turn on my radio, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable in a blanket, grab my favorite book, and let this bot make me money in the background while doing all of the work for me. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process on utilizing this free bot that we've never discussed before to earn hundreds of dollars every day entirely passively, since the bot will do all of the hard work for you. You certainly don't need any prior experience for this. It also works all around the globe. It works in all nations, including India, Pakistan, Brazil, the United States, the United Kingdom, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Indonesia, France, Italy, etc. Before we begin, welcome to the Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will get a notification every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. The first step will be to go to clearvoice.com. It is a place where corporations, company owners, and entrepreneurs come to employ individuals like you and me to write various articles and blog posts. They're also prepared to pay hundreds of dollars for each submitted article. You don't need any writing abilities for this, since you won't be writing those articles yourself. Instead, I'll provide you with a tool that will do all of the jobs professionally, and it has been shown to have positive benefits for a large number of individuals worldwide. Don't worry, I'm not advising you to utilize any PLR product, since it doesn't always work anymore. But I have a completely new bot that we never discussed before that will handle all of the jobs for you. It just takes one click of a button to get everything set up, and it will work for you, and you will get paid often using this website. Now, when you first arrived on the page, if you hover your cursor over Talent Network, you'll see that they have several categories: advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and technology, retail, and much more. They will cover all of these diverse areas in a clear voice. The next thing you'll need to do is sign up by hovering your cursor over a talent network and then clicking Join the Talent Network right here. That will send you to this page, where you can learn more about all of the advantages of working as a freelancer in a clear voice. And we'll be concentrating on writing those pieces in particular. You may occasionally be paid over $500 for every article you write. And if you stick around until the conclusion of this video, you'll receive a bot that will perform all of that work for you. It will write such professional articles in any field for you for free. You may charge others hundreds of dollars for such reports and profit every day. How to create an account. We'll see how it works out, but first, you must register as a freelancer with a Clear Voice by typing your full name. When you sign up for clearvoice.com, you will get a confirmation email. This is how your account will appear. This is where your name will appear. In this section, you have your social accounts. You can add your YouTube account if you have one. You can add your Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. I strongly advise you to add as many social accounts as possible. To add or edit your profile photo, click on Edit Info and upload whichever profile picture you choose. The greater the quality of your profile photo, the better your chances of being employed and earning more money. You will be paid if you use your PayPal account, so you can work confidently knowing you'll be delivered on time. Now, to formally begin earning money with a clear voice, you must return to your account and finish your CV. The more information you provide about yourself, the better your CV will be. And once it's perfect, you'll be able to start generating money. You need to start adding material to your CV now to enhance it. So you have the option to add content, where you can put the URL to the post you authored or upload the article you already produced. How to work. Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, but I don't have any papers to show I'm qualified for this position. Don't worry, you can have it done for free as well. Allow me to demonstrate how you can do so. Go to google.com and you'll consider the niche you want to concentrate on, whether it's AI and technology, business and finance, gaming and fishing, photography, videography, or any other field you wish to specialize in. Assume I want to concentrate on the business specialty. I'll look into the business and precisely business suggestions for entrepreneurs. For beginners, for example, business suggestions for beginners, I'm going to look into it. Of course, you may search for any keyword phrase in any specialty you like. When you search for that phrase, you'll get all of these various articles, some of which were written months ago. These are new, fresh articles that you can use, and every time you search, you will find recent articles that you can use, so you will never run out of articles from which to earn money. Now, I know this all sounds a little confusing, but bear with me because I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, because you can't just copy and paste someone else's article in a clear voice, because that will land you in serious copyright issues. You won't be able to make any money. Pay attention and figure out what has to be done. Let's assume I like this article. Then I'll open it up. So all you have to do is copy the article section part. Let's suppose this is part 1, and I'll replicate this one section of the article. This is similar to the introduction of the article. The bot we've been discussing is known as quiltbot.com. You essentially put in any text you want in this field. You can even upload a complete document, click on paraphrase, and that's all it takes. And on the right side, you'll see a revised original text that you may now use as your own since it's been completely redone. So let me demonstrate how this works. I'll paste the section of the article that I already copied, and I'm going to click paraphrase. And now you can see that it was rephrased for me with a single button click. So their first statement is, what do you need to do to establish a business? And it has been rewritten for me to what are the stages to beginning a company. As you can see, it's of excellent quality, and it distinguishes this piece as original and one of a kind. So now I can call it my own. So copy this route and portion, go to Google Docs, paste that part of the article and a blank page, and then go back to the random website you discovered on Google. Take one more component, for example this one, and paste it on the robot again. If you haven't joined up for Cobot, which is entirely free, you're restricted to 400 characters per contribution, which means I'll have to delete one phrase and add it later. So for example, eliminate this statement and maybe this one, and this will suffice. Now I'll click right here on paraphrase, and it'll rewrite this section as well. You may now do this in areas and repeat the process until you have rewritten an entire article. So I'll copy this, go back to Google Docs, and paste it below this. Do this part by part. Copy one part of the article you found on Google, paste it into the pillbox, let it rewrite it for you with one click of a button, literally less than 5 seconds of work. And then take that ruined part, paste it into Google Docs. It will create an entire article written for you, just like a puzzle. This whole procedure should not take more than 5 minutes. You can save it to your computer when you're finished by selecting the File button right here. And underneath the File button, you'll see a Download button, which you may use to download it in any way you like. I'll save it as a PDF document. Return to clearvoice.com, go to your account, click on Add Content, and upload or drag and drop a file. I'll submit my file, which we obtained from Google Docs earlier, and it'll begin uploading, and I'll be able to pick the category in the financial area. I'll go with personal finance or even company finance. I'll leave it at that. You may fill in additional data and give a quick explanation if you wish, and you'll press the Update button. It's simply that easy. They will also explain how this works in detail. You may also modify the name of your paper and update a picture, both of which are pretty useful and preferred. As a result, I strongly advise you to include a photo with each of your posts to make them more clickable. You may utilize Pexels.com to get an appropriate yet free picture. Click on the search box and type in business finance or whatever your articles are about, and it will offer you all of these various photographs to utilize for your charge. So if I want to use this one, I'll click on Free Download. It's also as simple as clicking a button. I'll have this picture and be ready to utilize it on Clear Voice Communication. So I'll click Change Image and upload it and save this post. It's that easy. The more you practice, the better you'll become and the more money you'll be able to earn. That's how these folks make thousands of dollars for their writings. It might take you less than 5 minutes to complete. It's for them. It's most likely hours or even days of work. But for you, it's only 5 minutes of work with the free buck he just gave you in this video. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.